Hi, my name is Jessica Martin, and today I am going to be doing my brief video presentation on clinical anatomy or surface anatomy. Surface anatomy is when we're looking at the external surfaces of the body and they give us an understanding of what's happening below the body without having to physically dissect it and look inside. So today I have McKenna with me to be my model as we go through some of the surface anatomy of the upper extremity. So we can tell a lot about the body just by looking at it. For example, on McKenna, we can see that this anterior portion of her arm is where the biceps muscle is. And then if you want to go ahead and turn, thank you. The posterior surface of her arm is where the triceps muscle is, and those are part of the muscular system responsible for flexing and extending the arm. If you could go ahead and flex your arm, please. At the bottom of the arm, or at the bottom of the elbow, we can see that point. That is the olecranon process of the ulna, or just the olecranon if we're talking about surface anatomy. And that helps, or that's a part of what forms the elbow joint. And then if you could go ahead and extend your arm like that for me. We have here the cubital fossa, which has the median cubital vein running through it. The median cubital vein itself is part of the cardiovascular system, and it is clinically significant because that is where that is a common site for venipuncture or phlebotomy, drawing blood so that we can test the content of a patient's blood and kind of detect what might be wrong inside or not wrong. And then up here we have the deltoid muscle, which is obviously part of the muscular system, and that is clinically significant because we do a lot of injections there for intramuscular, like the flu shot or the COVID vaccinations more recently. So those are some locations that we can easily see from the surface that tell us a lot about the inner functionings of the body without having to do any formal dissection. So again, my name is Jessica Martin, and thank you for listening to the presentation.